Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today I cannot wait to show you 16 wigs. I'm going to show you 16 wigs that are all priced under $200. So I haven't done one of these videos in quite a long time, and I thought, I think it's time for me to do a little more budget-friendly wigs. Now, saying budget-friendly, what's budget-friendly to one person might not be budget-friendly to another. I totally understand that. I also know that you could get these wigs somewhere else at a cheaper price. I understand that too. I am only showing you wigs from wigstudio1.com, and the prices there, all of these were under $200 at the time of this filming. Now that could change tomorrow, the day after, but as of today, all the wigs I'm going to show you are under $200 on the wigstudio1.com website, because that's where I buy all of my wigs. Now, like I said, all the wigs I'm going to show you today are under the $200 price range. Yes, a lot of them have permatease because they are, like I said, a little more budget friendly. They'll have some mono features, and you're just going to need to research each one. I am not going to do a wig review. I've already done all that. If you want to see inside of the cap, if you want to see outdoor color, all those things, just put the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel, and if I have done a video, and I think I have on probably all of these, the video will pop up and you can see the full review. But today, that's not this. This is a quick overview. I'm going to tell you the name of the wig, I'm going to do a couple spins, and then I'm going to move on because we have so many. But like I said, I've done a full review that's easy to find, and you can get all the information. So let's get started and look at some fun budget-friendly wigs. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it for you. Be sure that you have liked and subscribed to my channel and turn on the bell notifications. So tell me, which ones of these have you tried? Do you like these? Which colors do you like? What would you like to see me show you coming up in future videos? I love to connect with you, so be sure to leave me lots of comments, and I hope you found something here that you liked and you want to try, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.